吸水率95%以上，非常赞的花泥在 Michaels 有的买。This one called Eden. It's from France.
This one?
Yes.
From France?
Yeah.
You know all the names, huh?
I grow them. Of course, I know them. Right? I have a whole set glow, so you use the glow. And this one my favorite, called State of Grace. So don't really have much left.
Yeah.
Okay. And the yellow one you said is called what?
Bright light. Bright light?
Very big colors. And then this is the best one. And everybody will get this one. Oh, Eden. Eden. That is the best one. For the who has the shock style? Yeah, from France. For the shock style, okay. So I only cut this because you know what? I will let the small bud still grow.
Yeah.
So that's if they already pretty much all bloom, so I will cut all of them. So it just depends, okay? So this one, this one could put two together, so it could be long stem. So that's why I want them all have two leafovers. Oh. Hello, ladies. Who want Eden? Who want Eden? Come here, Eden. Hi, Jennifer. You don't have the waist. I get your waist. Because you know, I want everybody have the. This one called John's Terrace, okay?
Can you add another rose here, please?
Okay, of course. Because I have the. I don't want you guys to get hurt, so I have gloves. So okay. It's called John's Terrace. And this is like John's Terrace, the composer. 约翰斯坦老师 John. You can adjust. You can give her. Okay. So So I will do the. 对，它这个就是然后 because I will do all these things ready. Okay, Eden here. 戒掉了，但是有3个，所以我们一般就是想办法让每一朵花都有那个。对。
I have something like that. Can I borrow your clip? Can I borrow your clip? Yeah.
真好来，我自己来，不求人。你看还有锁脸，
对呀，
还有锁脸，看看。
是的呀，
锁脸，然后我人到哪，然后它就跟到哪。
这个很好啊。
哎，我的好朋友苏西这么远从那个尔湾过来，必须美美的拿花回家。Okay, let's do this one. This one. 高的来一个，短的来一个。Hi, girl. So one who's the long one, who's the short one? So they all could be very
You have a
pretty.
short one? No, I'm just taking one. She's taking that's Joanna's.
Okay, so you take this style. Okay, this one we just do the way like
I
the.
would just take one flower.
Oh really? So you get the you really get the best one because the only one in the C place
Exactly. I
and
was like, I want that one.
yeah. So this one I feel like you need more color. I feel like I use a little more color.
Okay.
Especially
你还准备这么多花瓶？
是它那个，因为 because you know I really would like to have you this one.
这个
It's
我
very
这个好
pretty called Air Angel. This one called Jeff Hamilton. This is called Belova. All the sisters, Diana and Wendy. Hello, welcome to my garden. It's still under construction because still on the way to be perfect. Just do whatever ingredients, material in this garden to make your own. So DIY. So if you want me help, I just make a little professional like the rose bouquet. So they last at least 3 to 5 days. This is my art, this bouquet for myself. Natural style. More natural material you could read. This is from my friends. She make very good one too.
Yeah, it's this one.
So this one, it could suck all the water, just pretty much like a 95%. So thank you for coming. Okay, bye. Let's move forward to the young. Yeah, this one, Grand Thomas from England. So that is the walk table, yeah. That table is a walking table. Yeah, we walk here. Make sure everybody knows, and then you know where yourself next time. So all the flowers go here. But even here is fine. Because I will get you guys all the. Especially this one, sorry, to dry. Yeah, so everybody have some main roses and with the companion, and even get the trees. You can see the palm, and all the leaves to be the companion. So you have this one, okay? You have this one. How about you? I make an example for her, okay? How about you? This one, long stem, okay. Yeah. How about grape? That means that all the flower is good enough for main bouquet. Like I want to focus on peony. You can get peony and hydrangea, and then match rose and match all the. I don't want to make too complicated, but I want to make it natural, sweet, and summer looking. Okay. So let's see. Cut all those. Okay. So anybody want to take picture here. Drink and set inside. So bring your own. Okay. Because I need to focus on see how many.